1. The 2020 rule. Look around your home and ask yourself, can I replace this item for less than $20 in less than 20 minutes? If the answer is yes, it might be time to let it go. I once applied this rule to my junk drawer and was amazed at how much unnecessary stuff I was holding on to. Random keys and outdated gadgets, all gone in a flash. This rule helps you realize that many items aren't as irreplaceable as we think. 2. The 90-90 rule. Next up is the 90-90 rule. It's simple. If you hadn't used something in the past 90 days and don't plan to use it in the next 90 days, it's time to say goodbye. I remember finding a waffle maker buried in my kitchen cabinet. I hadn't used it in ages and couldn't remember the last time I craved waffles. This rule is especially helpful for seasonal items or things you're keeping just in case. 3. Weekly reset. Set aside some time each week for a quick tidy-up session. I like to do this on Sunday evenings. I go through each room, putting things back where they belong and preparing for the week ahead. 4. The 365 less things method. The idea is to get rid of one item every day for a year. It sounds simple, but it adds up to a significant reduction in clutter over time. I started this challenge last year, and it's amazing how it's changed my mindset about bringing new things into my home. It's not just about getting rid of stuff, it's about creating a habit of letting go. 5. Daily nightly reset. Before you hit the hay, take a few minutes to reset your living space. Put away anything that's out of place, fluff the couch pillows, and clear off countertops. You'll thank yourself in the morning when you wake up to a tidy home. This has become a calming part of my bedtime routine. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below. And if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge, link in the description. 6. The one-touch rule. The one-touch rule is all about efficiency. When you pick something up, don't put it down until it's in its proper place. This rule has been a lifesaver for me, especially when it comes to mail and laundry. Instead of creating piles of stuff to deal with later, I handle each item once and put it away immediately. It takes a bit of practice, but once you get into the habit, it's a real time saver. 7. Create a home for everything. This next hack is all about giving every item a designated spot. When everything has a home, it's much easier to keep your space tidy. I implemented this in my office, and it's made a world of difference. No more searching for that important document or my favorite pen. Everything has its place, and I always know where to find it. 8. Contain clutter. Sometimes you can't avoid having a bit of clutter. That's where containers come in handy. Use baskets, bins, or boxes to keep similar items together and prevent them from spreading out. In my living room, I have a basket for throw blankets and another for magazines. It keeps everything neat and tidy while still being easily accessible. 9. The 12 method. Ready for a quick decluttering sprint? Try the 12 method. Find 12 items to throw away, 12 to donate, and 12 to put back where they belong. It's like a decluttering scavenger hunt. I tried this in my bedroom and was surprised at how quickly I found 36 items to deal with. It's a fun way to make decluttering feel less like a chore and more like a game. 10. Hooks for organization. Never underestimate the power of a good hook. Installing hooks in strategic locations can keep items off the floor and create designated spots for frequently used things. I added hooks near my front door for keys and dog leashes, and it's made leaving the house so much smoother. 11. Toy rotation system. If you have kids, you know how quickly toys can take over your home. Try implementing a toy rotation system. Every few months, switch out the toys your children have access to. This keeps playtime fresh and exciting while reducing the number of toys cluttering up your space at any given time. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video. So we have a small gift from our side, which is the free 7-day declutter challenge, where you'll get daily checklists to help you declutter step by step. Plus, some exclusive bonuses to keep you motivated along the way. It's only available for a limited time, so click the link in the description or the pinned comment to join now. 12. Hang pants upside down. Here's a quirky little hack for your closet. Hang your pants upside down by the ankles. It saves space and creates a neater appearance in your closet. Plus, it makes it easier to see and grab the pair you want. I was skeptical at first, but after trying it, I'm a convert. 13. Enlist family help. Decluttering doesn't have to be a solo mission. Get your family involved in the process. Assign each person a specific task or area to tackle. It teaches responsibility and teamwork, and it makes the job go much faster. In my house, we have a rule. If you take it out, you put it back. It's helped keep everyone accountable for their own stuff. 14. The 10-10-100 method. For those days when you have a bit more time, try the 10-10-100 method. Spend 10 minutes in 10 different spaces to declutter 100 items. It's a great way to tackle multiple areas of your home without getting bogged down in any one space. I used this method when preparing for a move, and it helped me quickly identify items I didn't want to pack and take with me. 15. Designate clean and dirty areas. Create specific spots for clean, dirty, and half-used items. This is especially useful in bedrooms and bathrooms. In my bedroom, I have a chair for clothes that have been worn but aren't quite ready for the wash. It prevents those items from cluttering up the floor or being mixed in with clean clothes. 16. Speed declutter. Sometimes you just need to declutter fast. Set a timer for 1 minute and quickly go through a space, removing items without overthinking it. Focus on visible areas first. I like to do this in my entryway, which tends to accumulate clutter quickly. 17. Visualize your space. Before you start decluttering, take a moment to visualize how you want your space to look and function. This mental image can guide your decluttering decisions and help you stay focused on your goals. When I redid my home office, I spent some time imagining my ideal workspace before I started decluttering and reorganizing. 18. One surface at a time. Decluttering can feel overwhelming if you try to tackle too much at once. Instead, focus on one surface or shelf at a time. This approach makes the task more manageable and gives you a sense of accomplishment as you complete each area. I use this method in my kitchen, starting with one countertop and working my way around the room. 19. Donation bags handy. Always have a donation bag or box ready to go. As you come across items you no longer need or want, you can immediately put them in the donation bag. When the bag is full, drop it off at your local charity. I keep a donation bag in my closet, and it's amazing how quickly it fills up. 20. Take before and after pictures. Document your decluttering process with before and after photos. It's incredibly motivating to see the visible progress you're making. I took photos when I decluttered my garage, and looking back at those pictures reminds me of how far I've come and motivates me to maintain the space. 21. Limit duplicates. Regularly assess your belongings and eliminate unnecessary duplicates. Do you really need 5 can openers or 10 black t-shirts? Keeping duplicates to a minimum helps reduce clutter and makes it easier to find what you need. I recently went through my kitchen gadgets and was surprised at how many duplicates I had accumulated over the years. 22. Use baskets for seasonal items. Store seasonal items in labeled baskets to keep them organized and easily accessible when you need them. This works great for holiday decorations, winter gear, or summer beach essentials. In my home, I have baskets for each season stored in the attic. When the season changes, I can quickly grab the appropriate basket and swap out the items. There you have it, 22 one-minute hacks for minimalist and clutter-free home. If you enjoyed these decluttering tips, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.